Hey there, STEM enthusiasts! Welcome back to Kameron's Lab, Dive In, the go-to podcast for STEM students, crafted with passion by one of your own. I'm Kameron, your enthusiastic and ever-curious host. Buckle up for today's insightful episode. Ready to dive in?
Hi everyone, welcome to DJI. I'm here at their opening event for their first ever store in London, and I'm here with...
Olisa, I'm here with one consultant, and I'm going to go through some of our products that we have today.
Looking forward to it. Amazing. Okay, so if you would mind just explaining what it is and then what it's used for as well.
Okay, cool. So this is a tank that is majority for schools. And what it is a way of, it uses sort of physics and not so much chemical, but mainly physics and science and maths, as well as programming and, mainly programming or coding.
Yeah.
Big time in coding. So especially if you're amalgamating this with a Samsung phone, by the Samsung, there's actually a coding game pre-programmed on the phone as well, on the kids' car.
Yeah.
Which I can show you a lot about. For majority, this is for coding, programming, and physics. So what you do is, so the box comes completely dismantled, everything's in pieces. So you would have to literally put everything together bit by bit by bit, screw and squeeze. It is, literally. And the whole idea is, if you remember ourselves to think of a small version of particularly rocket science, or putting together something that actually travels, that actually moves, that does something, that can see it, do something. Oh, if it's not doing something, what is it doing something? That's going back and start again. What program have we not used? What was the code that is missing for it to go forward? What code are we missing for it to go silent? And that's what would intrigue your mind to really go into, okay, is the cable connected to this? Why is there able to that? And that sort of physicality of it, or actually unplugging, plugging in, testing it out, trying it. So it's literally the only robot here that actually doesn't have a remote. Because all has a program on your phone.
Wow. And what kind of programming did they use? Like the block kind of programming or something more like Python?
I think it'll probably use block. I don't think it'll be using Python. I think it probably is block because this is a very relatively. I decided to really look at delving into it yesterday.
Wow.
Because it was literally a sort of display piece, and but the system being with it, there's a lot of people are really into what is this? What does it do?
Yeah.
So looking at it, first thing is first, apart from you've got the barrels on top, what they do is they actually fire Zorbies. Really? Yeah. So you fill out with Zorbies in there, and then with the control on your phone, you walk around, and it's got a laser, so it's got two barrels. The top one is firing Zorbies, the bottom one's to the laser. And actually fires Zorbies. That sort of thing. And one thing is actually interesting, somebody asked me, could you use that for landscaping or for geographical wedding? At the moment, I said no, because this is indoors only.
Right.
The reason why it's indoors only is a pebble or a stone just in between me, that's it.
Yeah.
However, because of the way it's been seen, there is absolutely nothing stopping us, DJI, of making it outdoors. So that somebody can have, someone farming, they can measure the land measure the gradient of if it's a hill, how much degree is it, using said laser. Wow. That's a possibility of where to go. I said, the first one, it's a little bit of fun, it's a little bit of, kicky with it, but the possibilities are whatever. Like say, you can use the measuring distance between A and B between someone's land, the gradients of the degree of, is it how green it is, how hilly, how much, rubbly is it? You have maybe a sensor facing downwards. How much depth is it between different layers of sand, clay, that sort of thing. That's where it could.
So many possibilities.
So many.
Wow.
And all that is just in the small thing that's about what? So it's a full display.
Would you ever think about making more of an underwater kind of version?
It could have something underwater version tank, if you will, whereby it is underwater. It measures, nothing but the pressure of the water. But the first part put the pull switch, the pull cleaver. So there's nothing, which is something like this, chucking in your pool with a camera, and then cleaning your pool with this adjustable remote. There is something there at the moment for, I'll see you on TikTok. No, you're really clear, yeah. But there's something that it could help. Or, for example, if the rivers are late, there's 2 meters to see in the water. And then we'll have the GPS to actually see where it is. And then, if it's too thick, you can outside, join over it, the final is the 2 points to retrieval. But the fact that it's on wheels, this is something that could be explored a lot more.
And then what do you ever think about making the wheels interchangeable? Like, right, in that instance, I feel like this would be really cool. Like
That's a very good point. So there's nothing wrong with interchanging. So if somebody, a owner, truck wearer, buys the main body, and then having these wheels interchanging so that it is both indoors and outdoors, maybe. So that is something that could be possible.
I agree. Sorry. It's getting myself a little bit closer to you, so I forgot. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, so that is something. And also, if you have, because you have to dismantle it,
yeah,
you have to unmantle it as well. So you are right. So this says that the wheels could be interchangeable. The mount could be interchangeable. So, for example, instead of having the barrel, we can have a laser for measuring stuff. You could have it for to shoot bubbles in kids' games, for example. You can have it to, if you can, if you've got a dog, like I've got my dog.
You can keep track of it. Have a little prey friend.
Have a friend while I'm at work.
Yeah.
She could be changing that, and then she could have 4:30 to go and think, and I can connect to my Wi-Fi. I could connect it on my phone, and see if she's okay, chuck a couple of treats or whatever, and something to keep her company. But like I said, the possibilities are endless. But it's only the first one. That was for the S1. The B.
Like let's think of those. But speaking with you, my mind is like all
you consider all sorts of things that you can have that are open trees.
Wow. Well, thank you so much. And then for students, you said it was like mostly for the schools.
Yes. So for
do they get access to that? Like, would the school reach out, or the DJI usually?
Yes. So the school will reach out, and there's something like an education department for DJI, and this is probably the one thing that will be. It is not to me. What you say, it is very almost nasty, very girl, but that's all that. And yeah, bring it into a full-girl school, definitely. Let all girls reach out to get your hands on things like this, to get your hands on mechanics, on mathematics, on computer IT, and that way, into programming to figure it out. Okay, what thing can this be? And often girls, you women are considering that our boys' choice.
And that is the point thing, though.
And I'm like, no, it's not a boys' sport. Unfortunately, with systematic literature, they have to say David as a boys' toy. But there is absolutely nothing wrong with a girl or anyone trading this into a camera or a offer extra on there whilst you are, camel trekking across Morocco, mountain biking across the Jal Desert. So for even one of the girls, you want that wonderful sort of Baywatch shot of running down the beach, get all of that. And then nobody else would. You're doing it, and this is chasing you, or whatever it may be. While you're lying in bed doing your rugging, you put stuff like this. Look at that. You can do so many things with it. So should we introduce two girls to judo school so they can get their hands actually well in it, so that are spurring the. They shouldn't be afraid to get a screwdriver to get in there to unscrews. Why is it worth it? Oh, limited. Oh, yeah, how have I done? And that leads into girls doing other things. So literally changing a theme, changing a tire. Big old girl safety that, yeah, they should have not been 20 without change a tire, unscrew a light bulb, and figure out, to go to the fuse box to do all sorts of things. But they won't be able to do it if the house doesn't keep practices on it. Or being sort of familiar with the screwdriver or taking things apart or that sort of thing, or things get all the lights gone off. Oh, what am I going to do? The other was the lights gone off, you'll panic. Okay, that's kind of challenging.
Like when I was younger, my grandpa, he taught me how to take off the screwdriver, just like the little outlet box with that outlet.
Yeah.
And then from there, now I love robotics and apprentice STEM. So like just like those little things that people giving you a little access, and then you don't want to get it. Yeah.
Especially if you never know your phone line gone, your internet's gone, you have to get into the socket, not cut it. Oh no, I guess what to get a screwdriver, get in there, girl, just take it off.
Yeah.
This also is your perspective to what after the data is and really tool, or try to tool. Even there, we said now you want very few really, which is really bad as I'm concerned. But we should have, we've got a couple of our colleagues here who are ladies, very young, is absolutely brilliant. But there should be a lot more ladies who are willing to come, who are willing to get a drone, because a lot of the arms robbing, they get jealous for holidays and that sort of thing. But there are a lot of things, especially that you can just to open up, introduce you to the two forms of STEM.
100%. Oh, that was wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're more than welcome.
And then there's one more question. For the students, what age group is it usually for?
So for this one, I think so that's more high school.
Oh.
So for given year 9, you're looking at about 13 upwards.
Yeah.
Only because it is quite technical.
Tiny bit.
The tiny pieces, you've got electrical, you've got programming. It is quite technical.
Yeah.
But I would strongly suggest, even if anybody can say, oh, let me try it. Yes, try it. If you're 11, yes, try it. If you're younger, even better, try it. Help mum screw it or help Zama, I'll screw it. What my screwdriver? I'll give it. Help them get involved with it. No matter what age group it is. Even though I would say it is more to get, oh, some the programming, the controlling. But there's nothing saying, take it, try it.
Yeah. You never know. Somebody could support them along the way as well.
Simple as that.
Simple as that. Thanks for
Hi again, awesome listener. That wraps up another deep dive of Kameron's Lab Dive In. Before you dive back into your day, see what I did there? Take a second to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Want a behind-the-scenes look? Bonus content? Or just some good old STEM fun? Follow me on my socials, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube at Kameron's Lab. And remember, every episode is a new adventure, and we've got some thrilling dives lined up for you. Don't miss out! Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.